In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Notion to dark mode, whether you're burning the midnight oil on a creative project or simply prefer a softer screen to ease your eyes. Switching to dark mode can make a big difference in your daily workflow. So, let's dive right in and make your Notion experience more comfortable. First things first, you'll want to open Notion on your computer. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile tool that helps you organize and plan your projects and tasks effectively. Once you have Notion open, directing your attention to the left sidebar is a good place to start. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will take you to the main settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your Notion interface. Now, within the settings menu, there's a section called Preferences. Selecting this will reveal several options for personalizing your Notion experience. The choice we're focusing on today is Appearance. This is where you can determine how Notion looks on your screen. Under the Appearance section, you'll find three main options. The first is Light, which keeps the Notion interface bright and airy using white and lighter shades. This might be the default setting you're already accustomed to. It's ideal for well-lit environments or if you prefer a more traditional look to your digital workspace. Next, we have the Dark option. By selecting Dark, you ensure that Notion always uses the dark theme, which can be particularly useful if you're working late into the night or if you find dark screens easier on your eyes. This theme swaps out those bright whites for deeper blacks and grays, offering a more subdued and less glaring appearance. Lastly, there's the Use System Setting choice. This option automatically syncs with your computer's current theme, whether it's light or dark. So if your computer is set to a dark mode in the evening and a light mode during the day, Notion will follow suit without you needing to manually switch back and forth. This is quite handy if you prefer your apps to integrate seamlessly with your overall system preferences. And there you have it. A simple set of adjustments within Notion settings can dramatically change your workspace's look and feel, making it more in tune with your personal preferences and work habits. Whether you pick bright and cheerful, dark and mysterious, or let Notion adapt automatically to your system settings, you're now equipped to customize your experience to best suit your needs. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.